We have a poly tailgate spreader available in 2 sizes. Easily works with a UTV or, in the back of a pickup, it's a 2-inch receiver. Plugs into, any standard 2-inch receiver. It's got its own controller. You run up to the cab. Vibrator is an option for that spreader as well. This is our first poly. We had this basic same design in stainless steel. Market asked for a poly, so then we converted the smaller ones to a poly. Something unique to our spreaders is we call it a bubbler spinner. It actually brings the material up around a flighted auger, drops it down into a pipe where it lands on the spinner. Something different with ours, when you turn it off, you don't get that dribble that just keeps falling out because it's a stop. It prevents you from losing material just driving down the road. Yeah, we offer 2 different size tailgate spreaders, a 6 cubic foot and a 10 cubic foot. They both have the same type of hookup, the 2-inch receiver. All use the same components, just a different size hopper. Where these are really handy is like a UTV. If you're just doing a sidewalk, you can dial that down and get yourself up, 4 or 5 foot wide pattern.